It's completely unique. I don't think there are very many other campuses like it.
It's just very pretty and
gorgeous. Vermont is gorgeous.
You stand at one point in Middlebury, you look around, all you'll see is mountains.
Trees everywhere, beautiful open spaces with grass, and
being here has a really green vibe. You look out and see the mountains and you can't help but thinking about the environment.
My passion for environmentalism comes from the fact that my generation is going to see a lot of natural changes, and we deserve to have a planet that's similar to the one that all past generations have had. Middlebury is at the forefront of so many different angles of environmentalism, and to be able to be a part of that, I think is really special and not something that every college kid gets to do. I'm Ben Wessel. I'm an environmental studies major. I focus on environmental policy. I grew up in Washington, D.C., but now I love living in Vermont, and since it's such a gorgeous autumn day, I figured we should take a hike up Snake Mountain, which is really only like 20 minutes from campus. So let's get to the top and see the view. You know, the one thing about having beautiful kind of wildernessy areas around campus is that it's so easy to escape. Whether it's like going out for a hike or going bike riding, or in the winter playing out in the snow, going snowboarding, or sometimes even going swimming in the winter, it's just such a part of life at Middlebury. And being an ES major at Middlebury is not like an abstract thing, because you live your major every day and you live your course load every day because you're surrounded by this incredible natural place. I've always been sort of that policy kid who's really nerdy about Congress, but you know, I have all sorts of buddies who are making environmental art, who are writing essays with an environmental nonfiction focus. You know, whether your passion is architecture and the environment or conservation biology, there's a place for you to fit into the program, and we all get to hang out, and it leads to really exciting, stimulating conversation, which I totally dig. Middlebury definitely lives its environmentalism. It pervades pretty much everything, every aspect of life on campus has sort of a green angle or like an enviro twist. One of the biggest things that the college is doing is that it has this commitment to be carbon neutral by 2016.
You know, there's a recycling center.
If you look at Atwater Dining Hall, it's got this green roof.
We've heated our campus with rapidly renewable biomass.
Dining halls get local food.
It's also an everyday environmentalism. It's a lived environmentalism.
The little things like when you walk around campus and you really do see everyone holding their Nalgene's or their thermoses when they go to class, or
on emails it'll say at the bottom, think before you print, just to save paper.
there are like recycling things everywhere. There are like reduced flow toilets.
Little reminders, students to student, be bright, turn out the light.
And I think what Middlebury has always brought to the table is the ability to take those lessons that we create here on campus and in Vermont and transfer them creatively to the outside world.
People take sort of the green aspects of Middlebury with them the rest of their lives, and I knew that that passion was something that I wanted to be a part of. There are hundreds of students who have left Middlebury and gone out and done incredible things in the environmental movement, and I'm really excited to join that sort of legacy. But it's also really reassuring to know that in the decades to come, there will be so many students going through this place and gaining that same passion for these issues, and we'll join that really inclusive, amazing Middlebury Climate Enviro family.